Good morning, my dear children. How are you? I hope you will be fine there. Today, on this online classes, we are not going to read. It's a surprising thing, right? Miss Apnacharya as a mathematics teacher, and we are going to revise the first lesson which we have covered in our previous classes: English, Hindi, Roman counting, and we have a revision classes. I will show you today how to maintain a मैथमेटिक्स स्क्वायर होमवर्क कॉपी. ओके, दो कॉपी मैंने खुद अपनी कॉपी में मेंटेन की है, एंड आई विल शो यू हाउ टू मेंटेन एंड द कॉपी इन अ सिस्टमेटिक वे. सो लेट्स मूव टू माय कॉपी.
Okay, text notebook. Just look my text notebook of homework. How I have made it. First we have to write a lesson 1, then date, then video, homework. Okay, then you will write the question. Change the following digit number in a Roman counting. It should be above the lines. Okay, it should be written above the lines, and the question should be maintained like this. And you have to write the row on the right hand side, and you have to put the date on left hand side. Okay, this you should be you have to maintain like this without any. You have to maintain like this with a neat and clean of your notebook of your homework. Okay, that should be maintained. It is a video 1, and in video 2 you see how the same thing we have to follow it. We have to write a lesson 1 date on left hand side, write the video 2 on right hand side, homework. Then you have, if there is a requirement of rough, to make a rough and do the calculation, and you have to write it the answers, then you have to give a margin of the rough and do the rough here, and you write the questions answers. It give a gap and maintain it in a proper way so that the paper should look neat and clean. Okay, this is a video 2. Now come to the video 3. And video 3 also I have given you homework. The same process we have to follow. Put the date, lesson 1, video 3, homework, then identify the given Roman number. You have to identify the given Roman number. Okay, so how you will maintain like this. Okay, write the question. First you give a serial number, you have to give it, give a page, and write the questions. Give a little you have to maintain the paper in a such a way so that the paper should look neat and clean. And on the right hand side you have to write the rough. Okay, now you got it. Now we have given a video 4. In video 4 you see the same thing, date, lesson, homework, video, but there is little bit difference. But now we have to write in Hindi. When you are writing in Hindi, you have to write above the line. You should touch the above line and you write in such a way. Okay, and when you are writing in English, I have done a little mistake and I have shown you that don't write such type of way. Many of the children are writing in such a way that it is in middle of the boxes. No, it should be maintained like this. 22 you have written, and below the number, below the straight line you have touched it. But in Hindi you have to touch the above the line and try to write within the box. Okay, in square box you can maintain properly than in other copies. Okay, so you have to write and you have to maintain like this. Understood? So next time homework, those have done homework is fine. Those have not done, those have done a mistake in their copies, not maintaining in proper way, that or in not properly maintained in such a way, so they will maintain it in a decent way and keep the copy with neat and clean and maintain the homework in a proper way. Okay,
Come back. So see how the note copy has been maintained properly, where you have to write, what we have to write, and how we have to do our homework, mathematics homework square copy. It is little bit difficult, but you have to maintain. While maintaining, you will learn many things. Okay dear, so keep it up like this. You have to maintain. Those have not maintained, please maintain it and also send it in our WhatsApp group, so we will check out. Okay, so again you practice it. Those have done mistake or done a wrong, again you write and give us back, and this much on this revision classes. So dear, take care and thank you.